Here I am, 53 years old, and finally working my way out of survival mode. And honestly, I don't know what to make of it. I don't know what to do with that. Hi, friend. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Cassidy, and welcome back to Unpacking Life. I have been living my life with my defenses up for so long that I've become a master of living my life this way. My identity, who I am, was built from childhood up. And now that I realize I don't need all of this armor, I'm just supposed to let it go and behave differently. I'm just going to change because I've had a revelation. I'm in this confusing time when I've had a revelation, but yet don't know how to make a change. So, what do I do with this revelation? It's so pretty. I realize I'm in a new phase of my life. I'm on a different path now. My yellow brick road is leading me closer to my beliefs, my passions, my values. I can feel that something has shifted inside of me. I can feel that I've changed. I know I'm at the point where it's more painful to not change than feel the growing pains of letting go of my old identity. For the first time in what feels like a long time, I want to take myself seriously. And I want to behave in a way that reflects this. I want to believe that what I think, what I feel, what I want, and what I create are worth acting on and not just something to daydream about. That what I'm doing is a meaningful expression and matters to me. That I follow through with the small agreements that I make with myself. Basically, realizing that my life, my voice are worth showing up for consistently. Realizing that my joy expands when I take myself seriously, realizing that taking myself seriously is my bridge forward. And as I head out on this journey, I'm shedding my skin, letting go of the old stories and defenses that I have carried with me for so long. Yeah, this will be unfamiliar, uncomfortable, and messy at times. But that's how it goes. And I want to feel the feels so that I can express myself, create, and build something meaningful. So I have 3 key takeaways I've decided to act on. 1, reinforce what lights me up. I want to get back to journaling every morning that I can so that I can reinforce the ideas and get it stuck in my head about what brings life into me. 2, to use my voice honestly. I want to speak out about what I want and what my perspective is. I want to use my voice naturally. I want to speak what I think and feel without watering it down so I don't offend anyone. I want to use my voice to say no to the things that drain me, even if people expect me to say yes. 3, to trust myself and act on it. I want to trust in my judgment, believing it's valid enough to act on. That I don't have to look to other people's opinions before making a decision for myself. I want to make decisions revolved around what inspires me, not what keeps everyone else comfortable. And I'm doing this one small moment at a time. I understand that in my 53 years of life, I have shed my skin on more than one occasion. I have had big bang moments that blew my life up into pieces. I have had moments that are like a poison that builds up over the years until finally I'm so sick that I need to make a change. And I've had moments like this last one, just dark. And I could drown in my dark thoughts if I don't seek out the light. And in each of these moments, I had a revelation. I had a decision to make. Take action or stay the same.
Go.
Let's go. You too have those moments. Moments when you can choose something different for yourself or you can stay the same. ultimately the choice is yours and yours alone. You can build that muscle with one small decision at a time. Each decision gets you stronger so that one day, when it's time for you to break those walls that you've built up around you, you have the courage to do it. Think about it. Much love to you. See you next time.